Kublish pun ibro kam ke balaj jong ka Indian Navy tenam tak tu kisamlai kwa banjon so bahan apply mat sape jadi bakut ngan batai bahan namta kijun kam ke ba pidei ban snap online application are invited from unmarried male and unmarried female candidates for enrollment as Agnivir SSR mo kata kawai namta kelas 10 kadai MR kadai SSR teka total vacancy kadai Cut South Spa including maximum of 200 female only. Teka vacancy kadai Cut South Spa, but nam takin take a maximum kadai R Spa prapo. The educational qualification they pass class 12, but kadai jonki science stream. They even done maths and physics at least one of the subject. Teki arts kim la ban apply. Age should be born between piaban ka bihakine kitarik. Kasnem piaban ka bikini gitarik shitarik Mei arjar dulai pui Oktober arjar san hapdeng jong kini mo arjar lai arjar saw kilang la banyok mudba khat news nem hadu kuno post nem kila ban apply te ben long kimom pat shong kurim te ka Agnivir kadai tang south nem tang nam batai shu gitu nyo ge jing matoy te kahat kadai shispa san phu nyo nakam tak shinrang bhat shispa san phu nam tai ki kenthai nam ta ki bakwa apply take a selection procedure kadai be halai telik stage kaban kong phaban ne ka computer based online examination kabalong shispa mark te kan long shispa telik question koi shispa mark kadon negative marking telda pi pass pin poi ha ka stage 2 examination physical fitness test bat ka initial medical take a by exam kan long san pho marway nagam ta kaneru san pho marway amdar relaxable yeno the candidate shortlisted for INET examination manda la pass a computer based examination pin poi saka stage 2 gade then la dap next stage 2 pin poi saka physical fitness test ka jeng mare ka ulang khat ruspa metar 2 minute live phone nam tai shinrang but 5 minute nam tai genthei kanan ka squats ar phone ta shinrang khat san nam tai genthei ka push up tang tai shinrang khat up ka bend knee sit up tang nam tai genthei ka long shipho then la dap pass itu pin poi ka medical examination pin poi ka merit list then sapoi dah ka stage 3 kadika final medical examination but pinsa yo direct kam deka last date ban jonya kani kalong ban apply kadai nadu kastang nadu prater Desember barkan kod hu khatnyo tarik Desember arajar r4r te select no kloil dah ko ban tab ya kani ka website kadai www.joinindiannavy.government.in ngasabu ya ka link hapo ka description sa check na turu sa klik be direct la poi Teki documents baru kinsa anda bila register kinsa pan ki dokumen ki certificate ki baru domicile mark sheet NCC certificate ID baru ki kam anda bila register kinsa scan submit online entah itu baru mau kelas date kedai khatnyo Desember arjar r4r teki bakwa ban apply kani saleno kapor kanang bun ponom le hapo kelas date nomor ba dan kajingtut kanat mla bantim denam tak center Shemiklia tengam tikana banyo telada kwa ban tab hi telada pim kwa ban next exam shabar ta ka shong sapi tangki negi jumtip kole juan